Never mind.
I saw an answer. I saw the right answer, I think. What's your question, Patrick? About
No, I
this?
think I figured it out.
Okay, so Nick is starting a home-based business producing and selling gourmet dog treats. This sounds like Shark Tank, right? You guys ever seen Shark Tank? And don't they do dog treats on there? Like every other episode? Thumbs up if you've watched an episode of Shark Tank. Okay, cool. He figures it'll cost $20 per week plus 50 cents to produce each treat. And the reason I was confident you could do this on your own, wrote the equation for you. That's the cost equation. And then he's going to sell them for $1.50 each. So he's actually going to bring in $1.50 for each treat. So you could call that income, or the best word for it is revenue. So we're going to graph both of those. So hopefully you went by fives and kind of modeled this. So the cost would start at 20 and it goes up 0.5 every one. Man, I'm having a hard time thinking about that slope. If it goes up 0.5 each one, and this goes by 5, how far could I go up if I want to go over 5? 10 treats would be $5. Yeah. Yep. I was thinking up 2.5 over 5, you know. 0.5 for 50 cents is 1 over 2, right? And that's the same as, 5 over 10. So you can go up 5 over 10, up 5 over 10. So if you need, sometimes converting a decimal to a fraction is helpful when you're graphing a rate of change or slope. Okay, and the other one starts at 0 and it goes up 1.5 over 1. I want to convert that too. 1.5 is the equivalent of what fraction? Cadence, can you put your device away, please? 1.5 is the fraction 3 over 2. So that's the same as up 6 over 4, up 12 over 8. 7.5 and what did you say, Patrick? Up 7.5 over 5. Guess I'm going to try up 6 over 4. It's kind of tricky. So here I am at 6. If I go up 6 again, I'll be at 12 and 8. If I go up 6 again, I'll be at 18 and 12. I'm going to write that down. If I go up 6 again, I'll be at 24 and 16. Right there. If I go up 6 again, I'd be at 30 and 20. Wow, that worked out for me really good. If I go up 6 again, that's 36 and 24. Was anybody ever able to successfully get a matching point at 30, 20? Okay, good job. Hey, so Logan, how'd you do it? You were plugging in. Yeah. Good job. We are going to be plugging in and things like that later in the week. Okay. How many treats does Nick need to sell per week to break even? A complete sentence answer. Nick needs to sell 30 treats to break even.
That's not hard.
I think it is. You'd have to sell them in boxes of like 15 and 2 boxes. I don't know.
Treats? No, you sell one piece.
You're not going to get 30 people coming in for treats.
I could.
Every week?
Every day. Oh, yeah. I got my
I think you should try to sell 2 boxes of 15 a week. Where do people sell dog treats?
PetSmart?
PetSmart.
Oh,
Pet stores.
That market.
The
downtown.
market. That's what I was thinking of. The weekend market. If you go to like a vegetable market, whatever it's called.
They sell everything there.
They got
honey
gourmet
sticks,
treats. So
honey
as
sticks
they're
like
there,
that.
you could ask them, how many treats do you sell to break even? They're like, I gotta sell 30 today. Will you take 5, please? Yeah, 6 groups of 5. Okay. Okay. So this is number 9 from your homework. I said you had the option to skip it if that would help you. So open your textbooks to page 338. We're gonna go over homework next. I want you guys to try to write the equations for Alberto and Ashanti right now, and we'll go through number 9 together. Alright, John, what did you get for Alberto's equation?
Even though my room's like super organized. No, I'm not kidding. Everything I read.
Okay, so in Alberto's little book here, it says the word each, and each is always the slope. So for Alberto, his equation is 20x plus 35. He's on page 35 to start, and he's reading 20 pages every day.
Okay, Alberto.
Ashanti. Ashanti's reading 10 pages each day, so the word with each is the slope. So Ashanti's reading half as much as Alberto. But Ashanti started out on page 85, so Ashanti already had a head start. We're going to graph these equations and figure out when will Alberto beat Ashanti because he's writing twice as much pages each day. I'm going to do mine here. Okay, so down here will be pages. Nope, down here will be days. The number of days that go by. And over here will be pages read. And it looks like we have to go pretty high, so we could go by 5s or 10s. Guess we'll do 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pages. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 pages. I feel like I'm going to go to 150 and hope it goes. 150. Okay, so for Alberto, we start at 35 right here. And we go up 20 over 1. So 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. I can't say this out loud while I do it. This one's a little easier. It's landing right on the 5s each time. This is Alberto's reading pace. The other one starts way up here, 60, 70, 85, only going up 10 each time. I'm grabbing one piece, I'm just taking it off. So my graph's meant right at 5:135. So how long will it be before Alberto has read more pages than Ashanti? I'm gonna go with 6 days. They're on the same page. Well, same amount of pages right after 5 days. And since Alberto's reading more on the very next day, the red line is higher than the purple line. So on day 6, Alberto will have read more pages. So yesterday our word problem was talking about when will the music sales meet up, the cost to make a CD and the cost to sell a CD, and then we just did making and selling dog bones, and this is comparing just 2 speeds, reading rates, and figuring out when will one surpass another. Okay, let's look at your other answers. I'll walk around and give you credit. You were to graph on graph
Oh, can you go back to number 9 and look at the second picture? Thank you.
Gene, what'd you get for number 10?
Yes, I did not do the whole thing.
I understand that.
I didn't really have first.
Should I do it? Here's your answer to number 10. If you graph them both, it should have looked like this. Y equals 6 is a flat line, no slope. The other one going up. They cross 0.56 approximately.
Yeah. I didn't want number 9 draft. I did already. My notebook.
I did 7 to 9. I didn't do 12 and 13.
Oh, yeah. My grandma.
Alright, does anybody have a question about this graphing and finding the place they cross? Alright, so you guys took a quiz last week? Or was it the week before?
I think it was last week.
Anyway, I have them for you to look at and make corrections, so get out a pen, red pen ideally, colored pen. Make corrections right on your pen. If you don't have a pen, use a separate piece of paper.
Screwed up all my schedules.
Did you not take?
Turtles are like, I don't know.
I like that.
You were calling me. I was not and now I can't get it off the computer because it didn't save. Yeah. So she's gonna get no. She's not copy. She'll probably take it down. Yeah, she will. She reads it. She reads like 10 hundreds of essays a day. You're gonna memorize one essay. That's fine. You don't have to read it. Good idea. Oh, I did 39:48. Let's go. Hey, I got the SAT questions right. Yes, way. Yo, what? Never walked outside that shirt with no shirt on. Especially at my house. Those are so bad. I live on the water. Oh, you live on the water. I live on the water. I'm surprised I got those SAT questions right. What is this guy's best? I gotta ask you. Yeah, look at this. I got all SAT questions right. That's like a 5%. I got 6%. Which I'm trying to find. I see a half point and a half point. Which have equal 1 point. Where's the negative? Oh, it's a negative slope. I didn't even think of that. I swear this is a minus. You I didn't erase it, so it's just like a point. No, yeah, I wrote a minus. Just tell him. Tell him. Yeah, she will. It looks right. Okay, I tried to erase this, but it looked like I didn't erase it.
Let me practice it out.
I'm curious where the 6 points are. I've read them. I take that back. Oh shit. Look at that. I put my last name in.
Everybody get a paper? Alright, who's got a question on 1 through 4?
Well, I got all the SAT questions wrong.
Alright, who's got a question on 1 through 4? Any questions on 1 through 4? No, put your device away. Alright, why aren't you correcting number 4?
I got the right.
What's your first one you got wrong? 6?
I have a half point off because I didn't do a negative X.
Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Why didn't you? Here we go. Here's 5, 6, 7, and 8.
What equals 4?
Why did I get a half point off?
Is that good?
Where did my test go?
Oh, because I did.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's why.
I got the highest grade. It was 7.
You're good? Do you have a question, Kalia?
Hold on, I got this.
Is that good?
What was I thinking? I must have been freaking tired as crap. I must have been super tired. I did five. I like didn't do the problem. I must have been so tired. That's why I hate having
There's 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Yeah, it's dumb.
I definitely got some.
What's next slide?
I don't even remember how to do this.
Yeah, I'm the issue. Makes no sense. I didn't show you at lunch. No, I didn't show you this.
If you get the graph straight, you're gonna go place. If you are not able to graph, have I told you guys about Khan Academy?
Oh my god, no. I hate Khan Academy. My parents are like, oh my god, just go to
Yeah,
Khan
I have like I do have a Khan Academy course set up. I think everyone in here passed, but if for some reason you didn't pass and you wanna like earn more points back till it's passing, like a passing grade, you can go on Khan Academy and do some work on Khan Academy, and I'll award you points back till your test grade is passing. If you're below a 60, then you can get on Khan Academy, or you can come in after school. Do a little work to bring your grade up to a 60. Well, this week only today and tomorrow. Yeah. But usually you come any week, just not on Thursday is really best. Okay, let's continue.
I put $120 in my tank last night.
All right, the big problem with number 11 is the word I think the big problem with number 11 is the word descend. It says that the balloon descended towards the ground, and that implies going down, so you should be using a negative 15 as your slope. Lots of students put positive 15 in there instead of negative 15. Descend means it's going down, so the slope is negative.
I put negative 15 in. I didn't, yeah, it kind of looks like an equal sign because it's in between the equal signs. See?
No, I gotta take it back.
It's like in between the equal signs.
Any questions right now?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do we have work in this? Hey, Thomas, what are we doing? Do we have work in this etiquette on like anything with the end?
For number 8?
No, I'm talking like just work period in this etiquette.
You have any number 8? For sure.
Yes. I'm looking at one.
I don't think so.
Thank God. I don't know if I can. Chris Herman says, like,
Alright, next there's 13 and 14.
oh yeah, because there's sharks out there, right?
13 and 14, multiple choice.
Let's find out. It's like 14 on that. What's the point of supposed to win money? It's like this year. Yeah, $18,000.
I actually really love 14. And it is an SAT question. Oh, that's not a straight line. So if something starts at the origin, it's right here, and then the slope is 1/7, I would go up 1 over 7 and put a point here. And down 1 the other way, 7, and put a point there. So that puts oh, that is wrong. That's 7-1. It's D.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, why'd you guys have to do this? I told you it was wait, why can't it be 1 column?
7-1.
Why can't it be 7 or 1 7?
1/7's up here. It doesn't go up 7 over 1. It goes up 1 over 7.
Wait, I'm so confused about this. Wait, so
That means I got
up 1
9
over
on this
7.
round.
So it should be.
Yeah, I got
She just said
I
up
got
1
D
over
too.
7.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, but I'm getting I got D, miss. I got
No, I did that. I mean, whatever, bro. Yes. But I'm like,
Alright, and the last two.
C and D.
oh my god.
Yeah,
I got a D too.
I think 15's wrong. It's D.
I got D too.
The correct answer is A.
Oh my
god.
Dom is an L, you know what? L, bro. Dom is a L. L.
I graded this one correctly.
No, I got A.
Yes.
L.
Everyone who picked A got A right.
Come on, man.
You, Aiden, do you have your hand up? Yeah. Let me.
I miss I need my point 16. I think 16 is I think I got like I honestly think I got like a 9. I got 1. Because I had like some multiple choice question.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Oh my god,
I'll
I hate
tell you
freaking lights.
when I get wrong with this side.
Never get a latch on your freaking light. Yes, it's everywhere. Where you going to go? It's so bad. Is it really? You gotta be kidding me.
I got a 96, guys. Well, I got a 96. I got a 100 D. And she missed place on two. They said I got a 42 out of 48. I got two misplaced.
Alright, when you're done your corrections, put them in the basket in the front.
Miss, did you correct my 616?
I'll come look at your 16. 16 is definitely C.
I'm making a walking. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. There's like nothing on here. What is this? I hate you, bro. There's nothing on here. There was. There's no. I literally couldn't get on. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna keep it open. I'll drop big red line on your red, buddy. Naruto, buddy. You watch Naruto? I'm sorry. I cannot watch that. I cannot watch that. I don't care how low light gets. I will not watch that. Just go to Bell's Outlet. Dude, sometimes you can find good stuff at Bell's Outlet.
Bell's Outlet is kind of fun. And Ross too.
Ross,
I love the random
TJ
shoes.
Maxx, and Marshall.
Max, yes. I love TJ Maxx. Especially the shoes.
Just gotta go.
Oh, Ross, if you catch him on a good day, you get some stuff.
Yeah, for real. I got Nike shorts there.
You know, have you seen Sanders? You got those at Ross.
Yeah, I've seen
Yeah.
Where's these
And they're so fun.
All your work is right now.
$69, that's my lucky number right there.
After what am I looking at?
You guys, I'm gonna rewrite these for you right now.
Is that a lump?
No.
I saw like 8 weeks.
Yeah. So we do 5 through 10. 5 through.
Nah, lumber that's actually really good.
Graph each system in terms of. Oh, you got kidding me right now. Y equals -3. Literally all way down here. How do you do this? Oh, this is the y. Just go straight across. Go down. Yeah, go straight across. Oh, is it minus two? Minus two from both sides, and then it's all times two. Because you get to try both sides.
So it's a lot of work just to rewrite those in slope intercept form. I've done that for you. So I expect to see some great graphs on here. Yeah, but the equations are messed up. You have to rewrite them so you get wild lines.
Wait, what? Oh, she did it for us? Why would you do it?
This one,
Alright, let's go. Four. Come on, you four. Four. Pick that ball.
Boom. Oh, Zoinski.
Alright. Are we on the computers today? No, you're not. You like to do the computer stuff? What did we do? Is that the ball work?